Sairam, dear children. I hope all of you are fit and fine and you are doing well. Today we will start our math class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Let us join our hands and chant Omkar. Yes, children. We are learning the lesson jets and mugs. Last in one of the last video, we learned how to add liters and milliliters. And today also we are going to a worksheet first. Here we will study how to subtract liters and milliliter quantities. I have presented one sheet before you, worksheet. Can you see it? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Visible.
Ah, okay. My
Okay.
sound is clear?
Sound is also clear, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me start. The heading is subtraction involving liter and milliliter. Okay. Now my first question is 15 liter 390 milliliter minus 7 liter 275 milliliter. How do we subtract? And all of you know that this is the bigger quantity. So from a bigger quantity, we used to subtract a smaller quantity as we have done in plus addition. Same way, you have to arrange the two quantities one below the other according to the places. So there is no need of explaining how to arrange. This we have done in addition. So I am going forward. 15 liter and 390 milliliter. Below 15 liter, according to the places, 7 liter is arranged. Then 275 milliliter according to the places. Okay. Then we will do subtraction as usual, as we do subtraction of normal numbers. The only difference is you have to insert the unit, liter and milliliter. That's all. So here this milliliter you write down first. Then you start subtracting 0 minus 5. We will borrow and this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and this is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we are moving towards the liter side. So write down L first. Then 5 minus 7 is not possible. So we will borrow. So 5 becomes 15. It is normal 15 minus 7. What is it? 8. So our answer is 8 liter 115 milliliter. Is it very easy
Milliliter.
now, children? As the same way you added, the same way you
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
subtract. Okay, one more example for you. 25 liter 430
Okay, ma'am.
milliliter minus 18 liter 450 milliliter. We will write one below the other. 25 liter, this is the bigger quantity first and smaller quantity below the bigger quantity according to the places. And don't forget to write the units. So go in the same order. Milliliter, you write milliliter first, then you start subtracting as you subtract normal numbers. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 5, we have to take carry over. So this becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. This is 3. So 3 minus 4 is not possible. So we carry from here this place 5. So this becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Since we taken from here, this 5 becomes 4. So 4 minus 8 is again not possible. So we borrow from here. Sorry, we borrow from here. Okay. I think I used the word carry by mistake. It is borrowing. Okay. Then 4 minus 8 is not possible. So we borrow from here. So this becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. And here only 1 is left. 1 minus 1 is 0. If you want, you write the 0. If you do not write the 0 also, no problem. But how do you read the answer? Will you read 0 6 liter? No. We will just read 6 liter 980
6.
ml. Okay, children? So you can check
Yes, ma'am.
check your subtraction by For addition also, reverse addition also, that you know it. 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 is there, okay, 4 plus 4, 8, and that one is 9. Like that you can check your subtraction also. Okay, children, now you got how to subtract. Now I have here, there are two questions for you to try. You try this and get the answer. Okay, so two questions are for you, and after that we are going to apply this knowledge in solving problem solving sums, as we did in addition. In addition also we learned addition first, and after that we did problem solving sum. So first question for you: in a water tank there is 50 liter 300 ml of water. If 35 liter 560 ml water is used in one day, how much water is missing? How much water is left? Okay, so water is left. This much is used. This much was there. So how much is left after use? Okay, so you can write the step as you wish. The meaning should be correct. That's all. Okay, then what water in the tank? 50 liter, 300 milliliter. Water used 35 liter, 560 ml. Only one thing you should be careful, all of us should be careful while copying the number quantity from here. We should not make a mistake. So before subtraction, you check it once again like this. 50 liter, 300 I have written. Here also it is the same. This is 35 S, 560 S. This way you make sure that number is written properly, then you can do subtraction. Okay, as in the previous question. Milliliter is written, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 0 minus 6, that means 10 minus 6 is 4. Here it is 2, 2 will become 12, 12 minus 5 is 7. So we borrowed from here, so here it is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, here it is 4 remaining, 4 minus 3 is 1. You know this minus, that's why I explained it faster. You take time and subtract, you will get this answer only. So finally you have to write a sentence. That sentence is, so this one, 14 liter, 14 milliliter of water is left in the tank. Okay, children, did you get the method of solving problem solving sum? Yes, this is actually we want in our
Yes,
life.
yes, ma'am.
We have to use this. Okay, good, thank you. Now there is one more question for you. A drum, you know what a drum is? Drum means tanki, Hindi mein. A drum is full of water. Its capacity is 30 liter, 30. If 13 liter, sometimes normally we use capital. Okay, if 13 liter 350 ml of water is used one day, what quantity of water is left? Okay, children, here there is a difference. The total capacity is 330 liter, I'm sorry, 30 liter, 30. Here there is no milliliter given. In the previous question, some milliliter was there. But when there is no milliliter given, we will put 3 zeros. Okay, so solution. Water in the drum, 30 liter. Since there is no milliliter, we have to subtract also. So we will insert 3 zeros, 000 ml. Okay. Then water used 13 liter 350 ml. Check the quantity again before going for subtraction. 13 350. Okay. Now water left. We can do subtraction. Ml we have written, 0 minus 0 is 0. We have to borrow from here. See, here is 000. So we borrow from here. Actually this 3 becomes 2, and all this becomes 9. This 9 and this will be 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 9 is left. So 9 minus 3 is 6. L. Then here also 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Here it is 2 only. 2 minus 1 is 1. So you got the answer as 16 liter 650 ml. Did you understand subtraction, this special subtraction, children? Okay. If there is no ml is given,
Yes.
put the
Yes, ma'am.
zeros and do as you were doing. Okay. So last sentence. So 16 liter 650 ml of water is left. Okay. Got it? Okay. And now one question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can try this one also. In a bucket, 5 liter of water is there. 5 liters. See, there is no milliliter. You have to add 3 zeros. Okay. Aisha uses 2 liter 345 ml of water. Out of 5 liters, she uses this much. What quantity of water is left in the bucket? Got it? So what will you write step? Water in the bucket, water uses, water left in the bucket. Water left. You write water left, it's in. Are you able to do it? Will you do it? Yes,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, if you do it, it's very good, and then you will get enough practice. Okay, now I didn't show you the new chapter till now. Okay, yeah, this is the first page of the new chapter. Can you see the page? Yes, what is the lesson's name?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
What is the lesson's
X
name?
and marks.
Very good. Lesson 7, X and Mux. We have learned many things, but today, for the first day, we are opening the book. Okay. Bunny and Bano their wedding anniversary. Are you familiar with this Bunny Bano? In class 3 in your maths book, there was Bunny Bano, and their wedding party was there. Here they are, after 1 year, they are celebrating their wedding anniversary. Okay. Do you remember the wedding in Bunny's family last year? Even the book page number is given, you can see in your old book, last year's book. Bunny and Bano decided to have a party 1 year after their wedding. You see, it's a very happy situation. See, all are here. Bunny and Bano are here. The banner is there. Happy anniversary, and all animals are reaching slowly for the party. That means it is the party time. Some have already reached, some are reaching, and some are on the way. Some are little bit late. Okay, you can see giraffe is there, snake is there, cow, elephant, monkey, and birds are also flying and coming. Okay, then they invited their family and friends. They made a special sweet dish called kheer. Do you like kheer? Okay. There in the wedding anniversary party, the special item made is, sweet dish made is kheer. All the animals came, running, hopping, and even crawling. You have already learned in EVS classes that different animals move in different ways. Some crawl, some run, some hop. Is it not? Now you can see, long live and Bano. And all are here. Bunny and Bano is very happily standing there, and the party is going to begin. The elephant is drinking 50 liters of ghee. You know, elephant is a big animal, very big animal. So it can drink even 50 liters of ghee. Giraffe is drinking dash liters that you have to decide. Okay, giraffe maybe 15 liter, maybe 20 liter. You can write as you feel according to its size. Okay, the cow is drinking dash liters. This also you can just guess and write 5 liters, 10 liters like that. Okay, then came the squirrel. Compared to these three animals, elephant, giraffe, and cow, what about the size of the squirrel? Squirrel is a very familiar animal. You can see.
Very small.
Can a squirrel eat a lot or drink a lot? No, no. She said,
No.
very good. She said, the squirrel said, I can't drink 1 liter of ghee. What the squirrel said? I am not able to drink 1 liter of ghee. You know, 1 liter is too much. Please give me only 500 milliliters. What did the squirrel said? Please give me 500 milliliters. The donkey asked, 500 milliliters of ghee, isn't that more than a liter? Donkey is anyway a donkey. What type of a question it is? Donkey is asking 500 milliliters means is it more than a liter? What do you say? Is 500 milliliter more than a liter or less than a liter? Definitely less than a liter. And even we know 500 milliliter is half of a liter. Okay. Then the fox said, the fox is ready to tease the donkey. The fox said, come on, don't behave like a donkey. Fox is teasing the donkey and telling him, you don't behave like a donkey. Don't give the answer like a donkey. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 500 milliliters is half a liter. Okay, this we know. 500 milliliter is half a liter, 1 by 2 liter. The frog hopped along with 9 other friends. Now it is the time. Now frogs are coming in a big group. One frog, leader frog, and 9 frogs following the leader. So total how many frogs are there? 9 plus 1, 10 are there. And he said, the leader frog said, oh, we only want 100 milliliters each. They are still smaller. They want 100 milliliters each only. And see who is here serving this cat, Billy Mossy. She
Right.
has taken the responsibility of serving. So she is serving the kheer. Okay, here is your kheer. Who says? The cat says. Said the cat while serving the kheer. She took 10 glasses and kept it. You can see 10 glasses are kept. Each glass capacity is 100 ml. And she poured 100 milliliters of kheer in each glass. And she poured the kheer in each glass. Here 100, you can count also. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1000. 1000 means 1000. Okay, that means all together, all the 10 frogs together will take 1000 milliliters. That means 1 liter. The donkey
One
looked
liter.
confused and asked. Donkey has a confusion. He could not understand anything what she is doing, what this Billy Mousy is doing. 10 glasses of 100 ml each. What does it mean? How much is that? His brain is not at all working. The fox got another chance to show off. The donkey gave the fox another chance to tease. He said, the fox said, ah, that is simple. And you don't know these simple things also. 10 times 100 milliliters is dash milliliters. How many milliliters? 1000. You will write here in the dash 1000. Equal to 1000 milliliters means how many liters, children? 1 liter. What will you write here? 1
1 liter.
liter. Very good.
One.
Now you write it. This we have done in the last video also. 10 into 100 ml. That means 10 glasses of 100 ml each. Equal to how many ml? 1000 ml. Here no unit is
1000
given.
ml.
Here no unit is given. So if you want, you can write 1000 ml. Otherwise, what you do? You can write 1 liter also. Okay. If you want, you can write both also. Okay. Then look, group of ants is marching here. By that time, they could see still smaller animals are coming. Ants are coming. Okay. They are in a group. The grasshopper said, see, the chance of frogs are over. Now ants are coming. The kheer is finished. They came very late. So the kheer is finished. See the Billy Mouse's face. Is she very happy? She is very
मैम
confused and
थोड़ी सी आवाज कट रही है मैम, एक्सक्यूज मी,
okay.
थोड़ी सी आवाज कट रही है
Okay,
मैम.
okay. Okay, children. So this part we will take in the next day. Okay. So let